James Bond.
007, Agent Underwood.
Fire.
Careful, 007. They may know you're inside.
Fireworks.
Careful, 007.
Fireworks.
No, I wouldn't, 007.
Safety first, lads.
These are private quarters.
Sorry, miss. I'm with the new security team sent by the fireworks office. I seem to have taken a wrong turn.
Really?
I'm afraid your interview with Ms. Malprave has been delayed. In the meantime, you can enjoy the
Fireworks. I already am.